vegetables and how you can call their names in the Ewe language. That would be so exciting to know the names of some vegetables in my language. Wow, so let's get at vegetable number 1. Onion. Onion in Ewe language is called Sabala. Onion. Sabala. Sabala. Onion. Sabala. Vegetable number 2. Okro Fetri. Okro Fetri. Okro Fetri. Vegetable number 3. Pepper. Pepper in a way is called Atadi. 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 Or Able. Able. You know, we have variety of the Ewe dialects. Some people at the south side, the way they pronounce some of the things are a bit different from how the other people also do. So it makes some things they have more than one name. So pepper is called by the Anglos Atadi, and by the Tonus, those who live around the Volta Lake and along the mountains, they call it Able. Okay, so vegetable number 4 is garden egg. Garden egg in Ewe is Agbuitsa. Agbuitsa. Garden egg. Agbuitsa. Vegetable number 5, tomatoes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes is called tomatoes in Ewe. Tomatoes. Or chimachi. Chimachi. Timati or chimachi. Vegetable number 6, palm fruit. In Ewe is called de. Palm fruit. De. Palm fruit. Spinach is called boma. Spinach. Boma. Spinach. Boma. African spinach is called Yevu Boma. Yevu Boma. African spinach. And vegetable number 9, that's shallot. Shallot in a way is called Anglogan Sabala or Anglo Sabala. Shallot. Anglo Sabala or Anglogan Sabala. It's mostly grown at Anglogan area. It's the people of Anglo that used to grow shallots. Their land is fertile for growing vegetables, particularly shallot, tomatoes, and all that stuff. So that's why they added the name of the town to it. Shallots, Anglogan Sabala. We know shallot is also a species of onion. Okay, so the vegetable number 10, that's the last one for today, is Scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper in Ewe is called Boebese. 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 Some people call it Atadi. Atadi. That means unripe pepper. Unripe pepper. Thank you. If you find this teaching interesting, let me know at the comment section. Like this video, share this video, and also let me know what you want.